Alright, let's go. Brady Bunch. Let's do this. Hello? Brutus. 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 Come here. Okay, Roxy, I like you too. Come on. Let's go over here. Let's watch the cats get mad. Okay, we got Remy over here. And we got a pissed off Deuce down here. Wait, where'd he go? Oh, here he is. Deuce is underneath the table and he's mad. Watch. What? Where's the troublemaker at? Nobody cares? Deuce. Deuce. Hold on. Ooh, did you hear that? That's him growling. Ooh. This is what he sees right here. He sees that right there. This is like Crocodile Hunter, but it's the Bull Terrier Hunter. Deuce. Where'd he go? Ooh, he's mad. And he's oblivious to what's going on. And she's kind of just hanging out, trying to watch the action. And Remy's still over here. Hi, Remy. Remy, say hi. Hey. Oh, yes. Okay, here's Troublemaker again. I'm sorry, Roxy. Deuce. What's up, buddy? Say hello. Hi. Let's see. Hi. Brutus. 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 Somebody doesn't care. Brutus. Brutus. Oh, here he comes. Somebody's pissed. See this from this angle. Ow! Man, you guys. What are you doing, Brutus? Stop, back up. Where are you going? Hi. Sit down. Sit. Sit. Good boy. Lay down. Okay, never mind. Sit's enough. Sit. Sit. Good boy. Look cute. Act dumb. Okay, you're smart, you're smart. Get a crooked ear. Good boy. Oh, speak. 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 Good boy. Okay, show off. You can speak too. You can. Oh, show off. Yes. Oh, you want to be on camera too? Sit. Oh, look at the baby. Okay. Sit. Good boy. Stare intently at the camera. Look away. Dude, you're doing good. Bye. See ya. See ya. Do you like me? Say yes. Nod your head if you like me. Nod your head if you like me. Good boy. Shake your head if you don't like Carter. Good boy. Say bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Sorry, Rox.